This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. The achievements in the sphere of design and building show that specific changes in house construction may take place within a short period. One of the most widespread thoughts offered by Stryi-Hipp is that in 2030, the vast majority of homes will be heated by solar thermal only. Such a choice will influence the use of energy and help society save money, reduce energy demands, and improve the design of houses, as there will be no need to use some electric tools. In this paper, the evaluation of 3 types of homes will be offered to define how materials and requirements for building, as well as ethical aspects and technological use, may be changed. A luxury home should be provided with a number of electronic gadgetry to help the owner save time and enjoy the design. A family 4-bedroom detached home aims at improving the life of a family, and a basic 1-bedroom flat with a number of significant attributes for living. Luxury Home 2030. When discussing the materials for a luxury home in 2030, it is necessary to consider their nature. One of the most effective ways is to use special glass for luxury homes, with the help of which the whole home is lightened and open to the sun. Still, it is impossible to look through it. With the help of particular digital technologies, it may be possible to change the color of wallpapers in accordance with the owner's mood. A unique program implemented into the house allows a person to choose from 1 to 5 colors. The following in-house technologies are possible for the chosen building: FM radio, digital TV that may be placed anywhere in the house, and furniture transformation. Because the technologies are designed into the house before it is built, it is necessary to meet a number of requirements. Solar thermal equipment that is located on the roof and provides the whole building with the necessary amount of solar energy. All walls are bearing and may be made of special pressured bricks and compressed earth blocks. And, finally, doors are made of strong wood that holds warm in the house. The chosen material and design meet the environmental green considerations. It is necessary to support using natural materials in the building process. This is why the idea of unbroken glass as the main material for the luxury home is justified. Though a number of technologies and mechanisms are implemented into the house, all of them are inside the walls, which are made of glass, so they do not have some harmful effects on people living there. Family 4-bedroom house. A family 4-bedroom house should be designed to provide a big family with all the necessary services and quality. Parents should be confident that their children are safe, and children, in turn, should have access to the most important parts of the house. The material for this type of home is wood or professional timber for the walls and roof, and metal rebar to create an appropriate floor. As big families are not always able to spend much money on the technological aspects of their homes, it is possible to implement the most significant technologies, solar thermal at the roof, to support the green idea of the building, heating technologies, and media improvements which are easy to use and hide in urgent cases. Kitchen technologies are integral in such types of buildings, and some family members spend a lot of time in them. In relation to building design, a number of ethical issues should be considered when choosing building materials properly and avoiding harm to human health. The use of solar energy in heating is the most effective means to reduce the use of fossil fuels and other chemical substances. Basic 1-bedroom flat. A first-time buyer should get several benefits from a new basic 1-bedroom flat. Building materials are usually concrete constructions that are supported by iron details. As a rule, a 1-bedroom flat is a huge construction project, and this is why it is necessary to define the bearing walls and implement as many technologies as possible. Solar energy is hardly available for such types of homes. Still, it is possible to create one huge generator with the help of which the heating and cooling of all flats in the building are controlled in one section. Environmental ethics should remind the designers about the importance of reducing the amount of waste and damage to the environment. Still, the following technologies should be implemented into the design as they influence the quality of human life: a security system due to which a person is sure of personal safe, media improvements with the help of which a person saves time and nerves, and entertainment aspects, bath equipment and kitchen accessibility. Conclusion. In general, all the above-mentioned buildings have one idea in common: people have to be protected from all outside damages and dangers, the absence of chemical substances, attention to solar energy, and natural building materials are considered. In case the ethical perspective is pointed out while building and designing in 2030, there is hope that all people will succeed in living and protecting their personal lives to the fullest extent. This research paper on the future of the home, houses in 2030, was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for, free of charge.